Let's make some chicken and dumplings. To start off, we're going to brown both sides of some chicken thighs that I've already seasoned. Once they're brown on both sides, we'll remove them from the pan and add in our peppers and onions and allow those to saute till they soften up a little bit. From there, we'll make our sauce using chicken stock, cream of celery, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream. We'll let that get nice and bubbly and then add in some shredded carrots and our chicken to allow it to finish cooking. To make our dumplings, I start with a biscuit mix. I add a little bit of salt, pepper, herbs, garlic powder, and onion powder. Once I have those dry ingredients incorporated, I'll add my oil and milk. I'll mix it well till I get a sticky consistency, and then I'll turn it out so that it can be kneaded and then rolled out and cut into strips. I'll then add our dumpling strips to that hot boiling stew. I'll cover it so that it can finish cooking for about 15 minutes. This is comfort food at its finest. I'm Chef Mimi J. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and follow.